Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore the world of large-scale manufacturing. Large-scale manufacturing refers to the production of goods on a massive scale. It involves the manufacturing of a large quantity of products in a cost-effective and efficient manner. Large-scale manufacturing is typically used in industries such as automotive, electronics, and consumer goods. The benefits of large-scale manufacturing include economies of scale, reduced costs, and increased production efficiency. The process usually involves specialized machinery, automated assembly lines, and skilled personnel. One of the key aspects of large-scale manufacturing is the use of standardized production methods. This allows for consistent and high-quality output, ensuring customer satisfaction. Large-scale manufacturing often requires a significant investment in infrastructure, such as factories and warehouses. It also involves planning and managing the entire production process, from sourcing raw materials to distributing the finished products. Due to its efficient nature, large-scale manufacturing plays a crucial role in meeting the demands of a growing population. Countries with well-developed large-scale manufacturing sectors often have an advantage in the global market. The production output of large-scale manufacturing is measured in terms of units produced per hour, day, or month. To achieve high productivity, large-scale manufacturers often focus on optimizing production flow and minimizing downtime. Automation is a common feature in large-scale manufacturing, as it can streamline processes and increase efficiency. Large-scale manufacturers also pay close attention to quality control to ensure that their products meet industry standards. Supply chain management is crucial in large-scale manufacturing to ensure the availability of raw materials and timely delivery of products. Another advantage of large-scale manufacturing is the ability to negotiate lower prices for raw materials and components. Large-scale manufacturers can take advantage of bulk buying and long-term contracts with suppliers. However, large-scale manufacturing may face challenges such as increased competition and the need to adapt to market trends. In recent years, there has been a growing trend towards sustainable large-scale manufacturing practices. This includes efforts to reduce waste, energy consumption, and environmental impact. Large-scale manufacturing has revolutionized many industries and has played a significant role in global economic growth. In conclusion, large-scale manufacturing is a crucial component of modern industrial production, providing high-quality products efficiently.